Thanks for joining us today at Island Ford Superstore, located on Norcross Road in Duncan, BC, off the Trans-Canada Highway. We're in the Cowichan Valley on Vancouver Island, and you can visit us online at islandford.ca for more information and a full description of this vehicle. Today we're looking at a 2017 Toyota Camry LE in white with black cloth interior, seating for 5. It's a 4-door sedan, and it's a 4-cylinder front-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. It also has air conditioning as well as a CD player, backup camera, and it's really easy to get into this vehicle. Just talk to our sales team. They'd be happy to take you out on a test drive, and you can book that online at islandford.ca. Speaker in the door as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat is manually adjusted. Your traction control is located here. The steering wheel can tilt, and on the face of it you have your hands-free dialing as well as your media controls, and you also have that was your volume control on that location, and there's your hands-free. There's your dash controls, and you also have your cruise control. When we start the vehicle, you're going to see any important messages and your odometer reading. And then as you toggle through for the different options, you can go into your settings and so forth. In the center, you have a display screen, and right now it's showing you your media, AM, FM, and you also have a CD player. And then your volume and tuner are located there, and you can seek through for your tracks, hazard lights, and you have your climate control. There's your fan, front, rear defrost, as well as side view mirrors. There's the AC, max AC. There's a little cubby here. You've got a 12 volt as well as a USB outlet, and then you can just close it up if you'd like. And when you put your vehicle in reverse, this is where you're going to see your backup camera view, and you're seeing that right there. And then you have an automatic shifter, a couple of cup holders, there's a bin to put items, and you also have your armrest right beside you. Lots of room down there, and you also have a USB outlet. Off to the side is your glove compartment, and it's locking. Up above, manually dimming rear view mirror. There's your lighting controls as well as a sunglass holder, and there's a grab handle on the passenger side, and that just makes it easier to get in. Wheels, mud flaps, body colored door handle, and side view mirror, driver's side fuel cap. In the back, your backup camera's just below the Toyota label or emblem, and when you're ready to open up that trunk, you can do so by clicking and holding your fob. It chimes to let you know that it's opening up. There's a nice little cargo net in there. It's quite roomy, and you're seeing the two pulls located here, and that is for your 60-40 split rear seat. And then when you're ready, just put your hand on top, pull down, and it's now securely closed. And then lock everything up and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Speaker in the door as well as power windows. There's seating for 3 in the back with a 60-40 split, and that release is in your trunk area. Behind the seats, you're seeing that you have anchors, and that's so you can tether baby seats. And in the center, you have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. There's all weather mats on the floor and slim pockets on the back of the front seat for extra storage. Little bin in the center there. And up above, you have your light as well as your handles. And in the front, along with the USB and 12 volt outlets, you also have your auxiliary line in. Tinted glass, heated and powered side view mirrors, halogen headlights, fog lights, and so many more reasons to visit us at Island Ford Superstore, BC's #1 rated Ford dealer.